3 police departments in Cumberland County share a resource now that can help when responding to calls involving a mental health crisis.
Yeah, the resource is actually a community resource liaison, and our Leanne Stapleton is in the studio this morning to explain how the job helps officers and people in the community. Hey, Leanne.
Hey, good morning, Lee and Sharon. Police departments in Falmouth, Yarmouth, and Cumberland all share that community resource liaison. Captain Mindy Coe with the Cumberland PD says this position helps fill the gap where officers may not be able to give that extra attention. The role of community resource liaison is currently held by Halen Meter. Coe says while officers are trained in crisis intervention, Meter is able to spend more time with people and families who are dealing with or impacted by a mental health crisis. Coe says Meter is also able to look back through call logs and recognize if a situation merits some kind of follow-up. That can look like a phone call, in-person visit, and/or connecting folks with additional resources. Coe adds that because Meter isn't a police officer, her presence could help calm a situation.
Oftentimes, when we respond to someone in crisis, just the fact that the police are showing up makes that even more of a stressful situation for them. And so we try to minimize that as much as we can. And once everything is stable, then that's the perfect time for Halen to come in because she's not intimidating in any way.
Coe adds that since Meter responds to mental health calls and isn't a police officer, responding officers assess the situation to make sure it's safe for her to step on scene. In the newsroom this morning, Leanne Stapleton, News Center, Maine.